Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Mailchimp with Woocommerce. So let's begin. Now, as you can see, Woocommerce is the platform that grows with you. Now, if you don't have an account here, this is the perfect time for you to create. And once you have done that, be ready with your credentials, log in, and next we head over to Mailchimp. Now, once we are here in the Mailchimp platform, all you're gonna do is head over to the left side panel of your dashboard where it says integrations. Okay, so obviously all you're gonna do is search for WooCommerce. Basically, when you've done that, the first result is most likely the apps or the app that you're looking for. And from here, you can get access to a powerful sales driving marketing features, allowing you to better engage and build relationships with your customers. Earlier, I mentioned that you must be ready with your WooCommerce account or logins because once we have clicked connect, you are required to sign in on that account. And when we click on connect, now you will be directed to a new page wherein you can add to store, add to cart, or if you haven't done so, it's free to install, right? Now you can click it to add store or add to cart, depends on your preferences. Now, as you can see, when I hover down, there's like a pop-up notification that it's giving an option to free to install or add to store. And click on that. And if you don't have a WooCommerce account, you will be directed to the checkout page. So as mentioned earlier, you need to be ready with your account. Now, when you hover down to your WooCommerce dashboard, when you go to the top right corner and to the add to cart shopping items right here, you would be able to see that you are trying to ship Mailchimp for WooCommerce. All right. So if you are sure on that, just proceed to checkout. All right. And once you have done that, you would be successfully integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.